Let's now answer a very often asked question, that is, how much time does it take to ace GMAT? And the answer is, it depends. So GMAT is like climbing a hill. Okay, so how much time does it take you to climb a hill? It depends on three factors. One is that where do you stand now? The second is where do you want to go? And the third is speed with which you can go, right? So not only climbing a hill, but really whenever you are going to someplace else, it depends on the distance between your current location and your destination, and it also depends on the speed with which you can go to your destination, right? So for example, if you are at a 500 level and you want to go to a 750 level, then you will take much longer time than a person who is at a 650 level and targeting a 700, right? So where do you stand now and where do you want to go definitely impact how much time you will take to ace GMAT. But it also depends on the speed with which you can improve. Okay, and the speed constitutes of three factors. One is the time per week. So if you can devote 20 hours per week, you are going to take fewer weeks than if you can devote only 10 hours per week, right? And the second factor is concentration. Now it's not that just the quantity of time matters, it also depends on the quality of time. So if you're not concentrating when you're preparing for GMAT, when you're solving questions, when you're learning concepts, then your progress is going to be very slow. Okay, so you have to keep the distractions out as much as possible, because the more you are able to concentrate, the more you will be able to learn in the same time frame. And the third important aspect is the right path and guidance. Okay, so it could be that you are spending your time and you are paying attention, but if you do not have the right path and guidance to actually achieve your goals, you will not be able to, right? It's quite simple. If you want to go to a northern region, you have to take steps towards that direction. However, if someone guided you towards the southern direction, then you may devote time and pay concentration, but you will not be able to reach your goals because you are not going in the right direction. So what is important is that you get to the right path and get the right guidance. And we'll be talking about the right path or the right approach to GMAT preparation in the next part, in the next section of our presentation. Okay, so how much time does it take to ace GMAT? Depends on three factors, but in general test takers take 3 to 6 months for GMAT preparation. Okay.